Hey everybody, here's 5.4 for you. This is for the review. Carson's wheelbarrow can hold 345 pounds total. 345 pounds. LBS stands for pounds. Right now, it has 121 pounds on it, and he can put more pounds on it, but the point is he doesn't want to go over. What he has on the wheelbarrow either has to equal 345 pounds or it needs to be less than 345 pounds. And the way that we write this is we have this clever little way of putting it together that looks like this. So if we rewrite the whole problem, 121 plus p is less than or equal to 345. And then our process of isolating the p, of getting p all by itself, we kind of treat this inequality symbol a lot like how we would treat it if it was an equal sign. There is one exception, but that's not in this lesson, so don't worry about it. So we're going to get rid of that 121. So we start off by getting rid of the 121. This will kind of tell us how much weight he has left to work with. Let's see. 345 minus 121 is 244 pounds. So he could put 244 more pounds on that wheelbarrow and it would still be fine. But it would also be fine if he put 243 pounds on it, or 240, or 0 pounds on it. Basically, as long as it's less than or equal to 244 pounds, he's going to be just fine. 1 second, let me hit pause. To explain Smash Brothers, so sort of just try to pay attention to my voice. All right, the second question, super similar to the first. As a matter of fact, I would argue it's easier because it's already written for you. So again, here is our border. There's a left-hand side and there's a right-hand side. We're trying to get x by itself. Right now what we can see is happening is we're taking 19 away from x, so let's put it back on to both sides. 81 plus 19, what is that, 100? Ooh, I hope so. Yep. So x is still here, the symbol was less than, so it stays less than, and it's 100. And they wanted us to graph the solution. That's not as hard as it sounds. So you find your boundary. In this case, our boundary number is 100. And what they've said is x can be anything as long as it's under 100. It can be 99, it can be 98, it can be 97, it can be 0, it can be negative 50. It can be 99.99999 as long as it's less than 100. So the way that we show that we're getting really close to 100 but we're not including it is we put a dot on it that's not filled in. It's like void in the middle. That means it can be anything under 100, but it can't actually be 100. That's it.